Group-1 member. There are 9 members in our Group-1 paper. They are 0, 3, 0, 5, 24, 27, 29, 13, 32, 34, and 36. Today we are going to present about our waste management plan. I want to request you to watch our video until the end. So let's start.
The air where we live is getting hotter and dirtier. The air doesn't clean and in atmosphere it has a lot of carbon dioxide right now. We must stop doing dirty our planet. It is a really good point to ask what should we do. We must save our fuel. For instance, we can walk for bike to go somewhere instead of driving. We must throw the rubbish in the dustbin carefully. Also, we should arrange kinds of dustbin like paper dustbin, plastic dustbin, organic dustbin, and etc. Obviously, the most important things are people must use 3R.
Did you know that waste are destroying the world? So we must use the 3R system. What are the 3R? 3R means reuse, reduce, and recycle. We must reduce the use of plastic.
Let me talk about reuse. We can reuse old clothes. We can save the earth by not throwing away old clothes we have already wear. By the way, we can reuse plastic where we are out of use. I used to use water bottle shells carelessly until last month. One my source said that caused plastic pollution. Now I reuse them for planting flowers. Water bottle shells used for flowers and usually use the water bottle when planting trees. So we can reuse them for like that. So what can we reduce? We can reduce plastic bottles, reduce your food waste, use paper, use tissue, plastic bags. I'm running on my thinking level, so ask yourself, what can I reduce? Let me ask something. When you go shopping, do you use plastic bag? So have you noticed that you can use a tote bag instead of a plastic bag? This is one of the ways to reduce plastic. Instead of plastic, we can use handbags.
I'm going to tell you a theme to recycle to save the environment. 1 plastic, 2 paper, 3 glass, 4 electronic, 5 metals, 6 organic materials, 7 t-shirts, 8 clothes. Clothes that are no longer used can be used in dirty places. For example, can be used in places such as tables and chairs.
We can also say water bottle clothes, paper bags should be reused. Water bottles are very useful for planting plants. If these are closed, they are useful for wiping window pane and wiping hand after washing our hands. If the paper is dead, you can adjust necessary items and keep them back. Therefore, recycle the recyclable item and throw the non-recyclable item in the trash.
These are the procedures about our waste management plan. Thanks for your attention. Bye for now. I hope you had a great day.